Hey guys, welcome back to our channel today. Oh, what's work?
Well, gentlemen and ladies, very cold in UK now. Cold, windy, wet, slippery, low visibility, and absolutely not encouraging to be outside.
It's freezing, guys. Even
Freezing.
inside is cold. But look, yeah, come home to nice hot plate of food, eh? Yeah, come get nice warm food. So me cook ya? Turkey neck
Yeah,
and rice and peas.
that's nice.
Yeah. Turkey neck and rice and peas and vegetable. Guys, let me show you what me I cook for him today. See? Rice and peas. I cook him vegetable because I want him to stay healthy and fit. And I cook him turkey neck with broad bean or butter bean, they call it butter bean. Yeah. So guys, a lot of people is saying, why am I taking care of this? Why am I feeding this African man? Yeah. Some people comment like that. I don't know why people should comment like that anyways. But I take care of him, I feed him because he look after me. He look after me very well. So far I don't find no fault about him. From here date him. But I guess you find a little bit of fault about me. But every woman mouth like this
No,
anyway.
no,
Every
not
woman
every
mouth
woman
like
mouth, no. Igbo women, they don't just talk like
yes,
that.
but me not Igbo
Yeah,
woman. me a
Igbo
Jamaican
women
woman
talk,
too.
they don't shout. All Igbo women talk with normal voice, and they don't get angry just without reason. Only Jamaicans, both men and women. It's like,
But you know something, I don't really angry, me get angry.
I know, maybe.
But for
maybe
you, you
no.
always just me angry, but me
Yeah,
not angry.
because when you yell in the name of talking.
Yes, because
then,
you don't listen to me. That's why. If you don't listen to me, and you will say, okay, baby, and then you do something else.
you talk. They just come up. The bill just rise. The volume just rise. Look, you used to buy this tiny one. See what she buys all the time, and before you know it is finished. You see? Then I bought this big one. Look at the difference between this one and this one. I hope this one won't finish quick. But if you sum up all those things, just little shopping like this, it goes up on price.
Yeah, but cost of living kind of so you expect.
Just go up on price quickly. You know, sometimes I have to look at the list again to see if they overcharge me in the supermarket. You know.
So what's that? How weather?
The weather is not encouraging at all. The weather is not encouraging, ladies and gentlemen. It's too cold, too frosty, too windy, too wet. The road is too slippery. Only today, one day, today, 22nd of November 2024, I saw on the way, I saw at least 3 accidents only today. Only the way that I took it. I don't know about other roads, what
Yes,
other people saw.
Tell me if you need anything else.
Here in the UK, 22nd of November 2022. No, 23rd.
I don't know.
23rd, yeah. Lot of accidents today on the road. M6, M61, M62, everywhere. And I know that towards the south, it's going to have more accidents today. You know, M25, 42, Birmingham downwards.
Is it okay? Is it too salty?
I think it's too small. The amount you gave me I didn't notice anything.
Seriously, Robert, this thing is hot.
Wow.
I just never want to about my food.
It's too small. You know, if
So seriously, you don't taste nothing, you don't taste no spice,
no,
nothing.
if you are tasting food, if you take little quantity, when it goes into your mouth,
It disappears.
it disappears. You know, well.
I blow on it though.
Okay.
You see a Jamaica? I say you have to taste food.
Small like this.
No, you can't just take this spoon, like this, and just put it in your mouth, so and they will beat you. Yeah? And the next thing again, let me just tell him a little bit about Jamaican things that we like and things that we don't like. You can't take a spoon like this and do this. Yeah? Second thing, Jamaican don't like when you bite dumpling. So if I take it to Jamaica, do not pick the fork up and bite the dumpling.
Wait. If I'm eating it alone, it's my own private plate. I can take it, bite it, because it's only me that is going to eat from there.
I understand you, but they just not like it. Or something they don't like. They don't care if I your plate or from my plate. They don't like it. Yeah?
But dumpling is hard. It's hard. It's not like a very soft food that you can cut the portion that will fit your mouth and put it into your mouth and chew it. You see, each time I put a piece of dumpling in my mouth, I chew it with, all my muscle, because dumpling is hard. I chew it, with maximum chewing strength. So, but the strength and the effort you're going to lose in cutting it is tough. It's not easy.
Well, anyway, you're not used to dumplings. I mean, know how you tell me about dumpling like you're a dumpling expert and start telling me how you eat dumpling and which way better. The second thing, they don't like a Jamaica. Yeah? They don't like see when you lick out plate. You know like how you clean your plate. and it always pisses me off. The way how you clean the plate like that, they don't like here Jamaica. Jamaican don't like them something there.
Uno has spoiled children.
Third thing, what Jamaican don't like.
Spoiled children. I don't blame you. Go ahead.
It's on your beard. You have to lotion your skin. They hate to see the little white here. Because if they see white on your hand, they think you're no beard. Yeah? So you have to make sure say you lotion up and,
Are you talking of Jamaican men or women?
Both Jamaican man and woman.
Any man.
We just tell you right, Jamaican people don't like.
Any man that is always putting lotion, trying to look good, that man has a lot of time or is idle. Yes, in the men's world, we don't lotion. We don't have time to lotion.
Yeah, that's in your place. That's in Hiboland.
Just imagine if you are rushing to fix one particular machine, and then you have to come home and eat. You need to go back and fix that machine. So that machine.
When you bathe, you have to lotion your skin.
Lotioning skin makes people's body to be softer than. We don't want too much of soft body, because depending on your activities, if your hand is too soft, you get more injuries at day-to-day work.
Well, let me just tell you, we not like.
Yeah, you guys are spoiled children, both men and women. I don't blame you, because you guys are like, born in, little Ireland, that resources could go round, and everybody want to be like Big Brother America that is just nearby. That is why. And
the next thing, Jamaican people are like, when they come up at their yard, when they turn up at their houses, at their house, without giving them no form of notification. You just turn up on Jamaican house, so they don't like it.
Well,
that's like, you like that, just turn up at each other's house like this. I don't know how to do it. I can't do it. If I'm going to somebody's house, I have to inform them that I am coming over to see you. But in your place, as Kanti, you said, then just come. Guys, they have, and the next thing I see that the Igbo people do, that we Jamaican don't like when you just have a baby, the next day, they will come and visit you. I see them doing that. And I was telling him that in our place, we don't really like that. We don't really like when we just have a baby and people just turn up the next day. We like to leave it till maybe, 2 weeks or so.
In our culture, you don't even have to wait till next day. Next day
is
too far. Unless you live far away or you are at work or you have a genuine reason. The day someone have baby, you go and see her. Even in the hospital before they come home. If it is at home, they had the baby, you come that day and bring drink and welcoming a tiny celebration starts. Welcoming the baby, congratulating the mom. People get happy.
It's okay if I'm in the hospital for people to come and visit me in the hospital, it's fine. But when I come home with my baby, I don't want anyone to come to my house so early.
Well, I'm not saying one is better than the other,
Yeah.
but every one of them has advantages and disadvantages. You know.
You ready for your dinner?
Yes, but not much because I ate some rice.
Is it because you're on camera you say you don't want much?
Come on, you know me.
Stop pretending.
Come on, you know
Not
me.
much.
Sometimes
I know that you're hungry. I know that hungry are
You
walking
know
you.
that
You just
sometimes-
come from work.
Sometimes I eat just because of you, not so that you don't worry. Sometimes I don't want to eat, but I eat because of you, just
Yeah,
to make
right.
you happy.
But you eat
Oh my
because of me.
God.
Guys, don't listen to him. He's pretending. He likes
Oh
food.
God.
He likes food. You see, if he comes home and no food in the year,
He's like, oh baby, you can't believe you're in the house I'm evening and you don't cook no food and you know that I'm at work.
See, that case is different. You see,
no, you come from work and we make food for you.
You see, most of the time when I'm really hungry, when I did not eat any knick-knacks, knick-knacks, when I did not have anything on the way or while at
Where you
work
learn that word from?
from
Knick-knacks.
you, knick-knacks. Yeah, when I did not have anything at all, like biscuit or something like that, I'm coming home with enthusiasm, you know, hungry, waiting to come home and eat, and then coming home hungry. You saw something to eat, maybe you had some fruit or biscuit or knickknacks at work, but you say, okay, let me not eat. Let me let my belly hungry because my wife is preparing food. Probably when I get home, let us eat all together. You know, like there is love in sharing. That is the day that when you come home, there will be no food. There will be no food, and then you regret.
But none.
You see?
I told you that I was cooking. Then you're telling me that you eat outside.
Because you know I was going
That's
shopping.
not good.
I had to go shopping, so I don't know how much time I'm going to waste.
Yeah,
shopping.
but you still should have just wait till you come home though, because look, you telling me I prepared nice, healthy food today. Today is Friday, but me still cook your rice and peas.
This chicken turkey neck, is that how fat turkey neck used to be? Really?
Yes.
Or
yes.
is it because it's cooked that make it fatter than this?
That's how it is.
I used to see turkey on the field, live turkey, but their neck doesn't look as fat as this.
Look for your food. Look at his food, guys.
So talking about Jamaican doesn't not liking people lick plates. I don't blame them. You see, if they grow in Africa, you will know what licking plate is all about. You lick the plate and make the plate look white before you go wash
If
it.
you do that at Jamaica, remember me tell you, oh my God, you will see granny shoes. You know what granny shoes or granny have on? You will see granny shoes.
In African villages, you do your hand like this hand, you bend it like this, and you do it this way to be able to get all the remaining sauce in the plate and you lick it. You know?
We do that too when we lick up, but if your parents catch you with then lick your over.
Really?
Yeah. Then even like when you clean out the food out of your plate, then even like when you left back some.
Do you think they might be pretending so that people
No,
think
they're
they
not
are hungry?
pretend, they're not pretend. I said Jamaica, I even when you have a poor bossy, you have a poor bossy one day. That's it. Poor bossy mean they not have it, but they
boss, yeah.
Yes.
That is what I mean by pretending. They're pretending to be okay, not to be ashamed.
I don't think so.
No, that is true.
No, seriously, that's how we grow up though.
Let me tell you, in Africa too, we have that kind of pretending life, poor bossy. You're poor and you're bossy. You know, pretense. The way we pretend in Africa is, you might be very hungry. The food at your house might not be enough that day, and then somehow you guys are at neighbor's house. No matter whatever they tell you, the neighbors try to persuade you to come and eat. You will always say, "No, I'm not hungry. I ate at home." You know, because eating at neighbor's house, we give the impression that.
Oh yeah, that too. They don't really like when we got people yard.
Yes.
And they don't like when we eat from people.
Yes.
They always tell you no got nobody here to eat.
Eating there, we have the impression that you're hungry at home.
So what? Everyone on the ground.
Yeah, but we don't like
FBI?
we don't like got people yard. They don't like when they got people yard.
Yeah.
They don't like
But that is
Because there are
good.
people you have to eat out.
That is good because it helps prevent unwanted harassment and unwanted auto evaluation.
And if I name too much, they don't like it. Like, you know, go from house to house to hit, they don't like it. Even that's why they make one song say, no wonder good, no wonder belly.
Yeah. So,
I think the rice one hot. Turkey neck tastes nice.
the rice one what?
Warm.
Ah. Oh yeah, you cooked it before and it's cold now.
This is so nice. Oh my god.
Let me taste mine before you become some other person's portion.
I'm gonna go warm it. If you don't want the rice first. If you don't want the rice, I'll come in here. But anyway, you don't like the food too hot.
This
It's
is
not
cold.
everyone on the ground.
You know,
Are
even
you
that.
FBI? My hands up.
Robert, you know, even that cornmeal that I made the other day. Some people at Jamaica don't eat it, they feed it to the dog.
Bossy.
And a bossy, they say dog food.
Yay!
Like my dad never usually eat cornmeal, but my mom like it.
What are you looking for here? Are you going to war?
You know that
Dylan,
vegetable.
are you coming to eat food now?
Robert, I don't think I can eat the vegetable. Because anytime I eat it, it makes me belly chopper. So you know, sir, until it come now, I know I can deal with this food.
The food is nice. It's very nice. Lovely.
Guys, the other day I cooked him turkey neck and he was asking me if it's oxtail.
Yeah, because this kind of turkey neck is very big neck. Very fat neck.
Oh no! Oh my god! I think I need to hide my pot.
What kind of language is that? Nope.
So, Robert, do you guys eat turkey neck in Nigeria?
Oh.
Have you ever eaten it before? Because most see them cook turkey wing, never see them cook neck.
That's what I'm thinking, so. That's what I'm thinking.
So nice.
I'm not sure I've eaten turkey neck in Nigeria before. I'm not sure.
Most of the people are cooking in our restaurant.
Cool.
Me. But they can't manage too much work. Mom! Oh my god!
Baby, she come already licking her mouth.
Jesus Christ, people! You ever hear people can time pot? Look up my daughter. My daughter knows how to time a pot. Jesus! I'm here for the friend. My friend here? You want a friend with me and mom?
Okay. How do you sister? Come on.
Alright, I'll leave you.